So when we make a decision, like if something, we do one thing, if something else, we do something else, we can call that branching, right? We go one direction if in one case, and we go in a different direction in another case. So we could call it branching. And in Visual Basic, we have these ways of doing that. We can say if then, that's the simplest statement. We also might want to say if something, then something, or else we do something else. So you can also use that. And then there's something else here called the select case, which basically does the same thing, just another way of writing it. So we'll look at that also. So the simplest VB decision structure is the if then else statement. This allows conditional execution of a set of statements. We do these statements here if the condition here is true, otherwise we don't do it. So based on satisfaction of a specific condition, this condition. This is how it's written in a simple way. If is a VB keyword. That means it's a special word in VB. Telling the computer to test for satisfaction of a condition. Note the condition may be composite. So that means that we can have like if it's raining or it's cloudy. So that's two conditions really joined with the or word. If it's raining or it's cloudy. So those are two conditions. We put them together using or, so that's called a composite condition. Anyway, here's one. Is X larger than 3? So that's not a composite condition, that's just a regular condition. Then is another VB keyword, telling the computer to execute the block statement. So this is the block here, whatever we put in here, called the block. It can be more than one line, but here it's just one line. Add 5 to X. So that might be what we tell to do under a certain condition. So if X is larger than 3, then add 5 to X. And then we have and if is a pair of VB keywords, which tells the computer that the if-then block is over. So this just says that's the end of the set of statements that we want to execute when this is